Hello there, I'm More Blessing, 100 Plus Guider from MMM South Africa. On 4 August 2016, I get help of 10,000 rands, which consists of my referral and leaders bonuses. MM is not a scam and is the only tool to fight poverty in our communities and on our entire nation of South Africa. I just want to thank those who provided help to me. My special thanks goes to the main man, Sage Mavrod, for such a wonderful initiative in our lifetime. Since I joined the MMM, my life is completely transformed. I just want to thank Sage Mavrod and all those who are participating in MM, who are transforming lives. Thank you, South Africa. Viva MM, viva. Viva MM, viva. Poverty must fall. Poverty must fall.